Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Makeup Fun with Olivia. I hope you are all doing well today and every day. So today I wanted to share with you my June Sips by subscription box. This is what it looks like. And excuse my hair, you guys, and my t-shirt, my Metallica t-shirt. I'm wearing my husband's t-shirt. Shh, nobody tell him. Who else likes to wear their husband's tees? Because they're a little bit bigger, a little bit worn and soft. I don't know. Anyway, I digress. So this is my Sips by box, and what it is it's a tea subscription box. I've always been a humongous coffee drinker, and I still love my coffee. But a few months back, I decided to give up caffeine because it wasn't doing me any favors. I won't get into it, but let's just say I want to go caffeine free. I have gone caffeine free, and so I decided to try some teas. And originally I thought, I don't know if I'm a tea person. I've tried some, they're okay. Well, you know what? I've been trying more and more teas, and I absolutely love tea now. I love them cold, I like them hot. And it's just a routine for me too, to have some hot tea in the morning. It replaces my coffee routine, and it's just been working really well for me. On top of that, tea, depending on what ingredients are in the teas, they can have so many health benefits as well. So it's just a win-win, and it's been super fun for me. This is my second box. This is what it looks like. It comes with a little piece of paper that says made for Olivia, and then it describes the teas, and this is what it looks like. So let's jump in. A little bit about this subscription box. It is $15 per month, and I think they give you some options, like if you sign up for a few months at a time, then they give you a small discount. I will put a referral link down below in case you're interested. You don't have to use it, but if you'd like to, it's there for your convenience. And what you get in your box is 4 different teas. Sips by has you do a quiz at the beginning when you sign up, and so you can choose what types you like. It asks you, do you like them with caffeine, without caffeine? Do you like them loose, or do you like them in the little tea bags? It asks you a whole bunch of questions. And for me, the only thing that I put 2 things in there. I put that I only want caffeine-free teas and nut-free, because I live in a nut-free home. My teenage son is extremely allergic to nuts. We've had some serious scares, and we've just decided to become a nut-free home. So even though I personally love nuts, I love almonds, it's like the nuts that I love the most, those are the ones he's more seriously allergic to, so we're just doing nut-free. So those are the only 2 things that I have in my setup as far as what teas I want them to send me. So let's jump in. So at the very top of my little box here is a little muslin bag that they send you with disposable bags inside, and this is what they look like. These you can just use and discard up when you're done. But this one is a reusable one. So I did end up using all of these from my last box, and then I started using this one. Of course, I washed it first. I hand washed it, but you can throw it in the washing machine. But after I use it, I just hand wash it and I hang it up on my sink, and it dries. It's ready for the next day. So now I have another one. Yay! Of course, you take off the little sticker, but it's kind of really handy, especially if you are going to work, or you're somewhere where you need a disposable one. You can use the disposable ones, or you can use a reusable one at home. So let's jump into the teas. There are 4 different teas, like I mentioned, and the box claims to have at least 15 cups of tea. I'm gonna go in the order of this one. So the first one, it says here, Berry Blend Sips by Oteas. That's this one right here. When I saw this one, I was so super excited, because one of the things that I've learned about myself is that I do like fruity teas. So I was super excited, and it smells so delicious. It my kids smelled it, and one of them said it kind of smells like cherry juice or something like that. It's very fruity. So I have to admit, I jumped in and I tried it. I have tried this one. I'm going to be honest. I was expecting something stronger, like with more of a punch. There's another tea that I like. It's pomegranate hibiscus that I have. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which is also Makeup Fun with Olivia, I did share it there, and that's one of my favorites, and it's super strong and tart and yummy, delicious, and I kind of expected this one to be like that, but this one is a little bit more bland. Let me read you the description on here. So it says it has hibiscus, currants, raisins, elderberries, raspberry fruit, and let's see, red currants and black currants. So that is what is in here, and you can see the back. I mean, you can see it. It is in a little bag. It's kind of see-through, so you can't see it, but it is in a little bag. I did try this already. I am gonna enjoy the rest of these. They just weren't my top choice, I guess, because I'm beginning to realize I like strong teas. I like something with a punch. Okay, so the next one is, let's see what it says on here, Organic Mint Fields, and this is by the Republic of Tea. Oh, and each one has a description. So before moving on, let me read you the description of this one. So this one says, this caffeine-free blend has flavor bursting with full-bodied forest fruits and blackberries. It is a versatile and refreshing and can be enjoyed hot or cold. Oh, and that's the other thing. I did make it cold, and I think I'm gonna enjoy it hot more. Okay, so the next one here is Organic Mint Fields, and this is what it looks like. And this has organic spearmint, organic peppermint, organic lemon balm. That's what it looks like from the back. And the description for this one says, refreshing spearmint and peppermint from Pacific Northwest mixed with the bright, crisp flavor of lemon balm, long flavored for lifting one's spirits and inspiring the mind. They also give you, underneath the descriptions, and I'm not going to read off everything, but it does tell you how much to steep it for, how long, how many minutes, what temperature to steep it in. And then at the bottom, the company gives you a discount code so that if you love it, you can go ahead and buy it from them with the Sips by discount. So that's kind of cool. So let's go on to our third one. Our third one is Organic Rooibos Tea by My Red Tea. And I already tried this one too. I loved this one. So the description, or all this has is organic single origin rooibos from South Africa. I was reading, all of these, I was reading the health benefits of all of the ingredients, and there are just so many health benefits by teas and by all these different ingredients. But check out rooibos, because you'd be really surprised. And I found it super flavorful. I loved it. I really, really love this. I'm probably gonna get this full size. And here's the description for this one. It says, caffeine-free, antioxidant-rich rooibos has been used by South Africans for generations. Drink hot or cold, alone or with honey, milk, or lemon, or add to a bath water to soothe your skin. That's another thing I've been reading. You can use some teas in your bath water, or you can mix them up to make like a face mask. There's so many things you can do with teas. And I'm thinking, the more I learn, hopefully maybe in the future, I'll have a video for you guys on, some skin benefits or some skin mixtures or recipes that I learn. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to just learning more about teas in general. So this one I really enjoyed. It was super yummy. The last one is called Turmeric Glow by DAVIDsTEA. And this is what it looks like. Comes in a bag. So this is loose tea, and it does have a little Ziploc. So let's go ahead and open it. I haven't opened this, but because it has a little Ziploc, we can close it up again. But let's take a look and see what it looks like inside. Ooh, can you see that there? Oh, that smells like it's packing a punch. I'm gonna like this, I'm pretty sure. It says sweet, spicy skin saver. Okay, so let's read the description on this one. This one says it has carrots, ginger, turmeric, pineapple, beetroot, sweet blackberry leaf, and natural flavor. And the description says, ready to get your glow back? Meet your new bestie, turmeric. Known as the king of spice, this golden root has been hailed as an Ayurvedic skin saver for centuries. Ooh, I'm looking forward to trying that and to maybe even looking up some recipes since it is loose. We shall see. Anyway, those were my 4 teas from my June box. What do you think? Do you guys drink tea? I'm an avid tea drinker now, and I am enjoying just trying all these different teas. If you have a favorite tea, please put it in the comments down below. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will talk to you later. Bye.